Hello, Digital Change Makers team. My name is Happy Skalengo from Morogoro, Tanzania. I decided to choose this idea because a large number of students and pupils are graduating from schools without having knowledge of the ICT. This leads to a huge number of people who are ICT literate in the society. The solution is to keep these students, pupils, and the youth competent in ICT. Why should we do this? We are doing this because ICT holds away or locks away a number of opportunities which can be grabbed and used to raise the economical status of the people in the society. For example, the agriculture sector alone, which employs more than 80% of Tanzanians and which earns the country more than 60% of the foreign currency and which contributes to 50% of the country's GDP, is being done awkwardly in our country. Some of the opportunities have been locked away. So, being competent in ICT, I hope people will be able to view, to have ability to seize the hidden opportunities in agriculture, and hence they can raise their productivity, and then the GDP, the contribution of agriculture to the GDP will increase. Thank you.